Hmm. Okay, this is close to better. I can live with this. Probably not good to be waiting for a T to be ordered to burn. What's the dog going off about? Sick. Yeah. Can I find this? Oh, this is getting risky. Sheesh. I'm gonna be bar dependent. Plus a little bit. Okay. L, 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 L. Alright. Should have cut my losses earlier, probably. Hmm. Ugh. This bar is good for a triple. Ugh. Didn't want to put weight on that hole. Create that hole. Yuck. Sure. Probably not, honestly. But we're here. There. No. Silly. Bar save me. That triple burn was kind of cool, honestly. I was waiting until they got things back under control to say so. I was pretty happy with it in the moment. It's like, cool. Now I'm bar dependent. Okay. Just whatever. Stay alive. It's not whatever, but staying alive is more important than perfection. You can't score more points if you top out. Mm-hmm. Cool. Yeah, this pace isn't fantastic, I don't think, though I will say I have a lot more pace calculation to learn. I should shut up and figure this board out, man. Yeah, it should have gone all the way to the left like that. I want to set that up so bad. Okay, it's actually fine. cool. Hmm. That was very risky. Oh, wow. That was... Thought it would burn. At least one of the lines. I knew it wouldn't be both. Hmm. Should we scale as I set up another Tetris? Oh, well. No? I don't know if that spin was wise. It felt cool, but no, it felt weird actually. It didn't really slot into anything. There was just an overhang I had to get around. Ooh, nice. Yuck. We're super low right now though, so. Oh, I've been playing so much Modern. On the left side, I was like, oh, I can set up a T-spin. Well, why would I do that? Also, what's the difference between Modern and Guideline? Is that just like, are they synonymous? I hear those terms tossed around quite a bit. Ugh. Ugh. Ooh. Yeah, that bar should have been flat a little bit ago. Oh man, that was back tapping. Bad habit. So close to being able to use that bar. Alright, we better get this down if we want any chance at getting lines. Yo! I was literally about to be like, your boy is locked in. No, it's okay. Yo, 11 lines is fantastic. Yo. Mmm.